Today I am playing CS. So there's someone called the Legend. So I'm gonna call them. Oh, she's just matching with my profile, everything, man. I want more pairs, so I have to go in this world. I can't, so let's just do this. Not guild. Not guild. Oh my god, it takes so long. She just leaves. Who is this? Man, she's on bronze. What? Why are they so noob? So yeah, why are they so noob? Out. No way I'm taking these noobs. Man. Empty. Hi, who are you guys? Huh? I will not roast her. I will roast. Is somebody coming? I'm gonna roast her. Exit. Is somebody coming? Ready or I will kick you. Because nobody's coming. I'm like, oh, there's someone online. Let's go! Oh my god. He's such a pro. I'm jealous of people that don't know you. Stop. Do ready, Legend! I'm gonna kill you! In 1, 2, 3. Hello. You have Cobra bundle, man. Why is it ready? Ready, man. I don't have all 3. Bro, he have Cobra bundle. If I wanted to kill myself, I would climb your go and jump to your IQ. Is it really now? Wow. Well, skill this. And guys, Haika, my sister Haika is out somewhere else. She went with my mom to like a market. So yeah, and this is an unknown. Let's go kill them. She went to Target to get some stuff. So I don't care. Come out, stupid. I would give him a headshot if he didn't move. What a stupid guy. Hello, how are you? Oh my god. 3 people are there, I think. Oh my lord. Oh no! Thank god. No! Oh my god. Die. No! Where did it go? Die. I don't know anymore. A little fun for me. One more is alive. Where is he? No, he died. What is revived? Where is he? Where are they, man? Thank you. Oh no, no, no! No! Let's go. Not going to swim out. Zayat King. Nice. I just called him because he had Cobra bundle. Let's take action it. And you must be thinking, that I have like, I don't know what I want to say. So let's go. So yeah, I remember. You must be thinking we got action B, but it's action A. Go see it closely. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Dry. Red. I'm also coming. No man! Stupid guy. Oh, I hate this. That's moss. Let's go. How did that thing is so cool? I think that's it.
Come on, guys, we have to go.
Who is it? Who in the world is
Why are you
Rock?
only
What's
Marcus
that?
and only Marcus is pro?
Who is
First blood.
Guys, it's
How
called.
is Marcus pro and you also know?
I was gonna give him a head. Help!
Triple kill.
Noob!
Only Marcus is
Please,
pro.
not anymore! Guys!
Only Marcus is pro and
I'm gonna mute her.
rest of you are noob.
Need equipment.
And who is this legend? I'm gonna mute her.
Need equipment.
If she says one more time.
I will give you guys an MP5.
Now she's muted.
I will give you guys an MP5 if you give me 2 glue wall.
No, I don't need an MP5. One tap.
Spotted.
First blood.
Head there.
That's so good. Oh my god. One billion quadrillion. What kind of name is that? Let's go.
Double kill.
No?
Ace.
Let's go, Ace!
Good job.
Let's so pro,
Good job.
guys. I wasn't saying because I was so serious.
Need equipment.
Let's freaking go.
Thanks.
You can ask whatever
Need
you want.
equipment.
I have a lot of money.
Thanks. Need equipment. Thanks. Need equipment.
Now I don't have money. So I can't get. Come on. Perfect. Was it? Spider-Man? Spider-Man? Spider-Man.
First blood.
One tap. Lol. I'm so good with Woodpecker, guys.
Interactive's here.
I'm the Woodpecker king now.
Double kill.
Where is he?
Double kill.
Yay! Let's go, guys. So, guys,
Need equipment.
I just told them to only show emotes,
Thanks.
to not kill them. Because I want final round, then I will go and kill them all alone.
Need equipment.
So,
Need
yeah.
equipment. Thanks. Need equipment.
Thanks.
Need equipment. Need equipment. Need equipment. Need equipment. Need equipment. Need
Thanks.
equipment. Need equipment.
Don't have money now. He waited broke or he, I don't know. I could say he because he's a boy, but I'm not sure.
Help me.
He's
Help me.
moving.
First blood.
Come in front of me, dumbhead. Noob.
Triple kill.
Go! Hey guys, I'm gonna play Fury now. So, okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you smash the like button, I'll see you next one. Goodbye.